Okay, Nichols Retirement Empire. We got a little project, outside project today. A couple of things. We're going to be planting some seeds out in the garden and planting some plants out in the garden. And we're putting some tomatoes out, and we're going to put some herbs up here on the porch. So Tammy came up with the idea of she wanted to have have them in these planters. So we bought these planters that you could take apart, and we nailed this to the rail there so that they wouldn't blow off. And then of course we could take them apart if we need to and put them down on the ground if the wind, we're afraid it's going to tear up the plants. So this way she'll have all the herbs handy up here close to where she is. So you can see we got one planted, some parsley, and we're going to get the rest of these put in here. Okay, it's May 5th. It's really nice and cool outside. It's overcast all day long, so it's only going to be like in the 70s. So it's just a good day to do some work outside. And since Tammy has her cooking show, she's always, wanting to be able to get fresh herbs and things like that. So we got these just at Walmart. And how much were these, Tammy? Like $3 maybe?
I think so. About
like
$3.50
about $3, a piece. And then these little things here are like a dollar. So this is pretty economical. This will be something that she can use while she's cooking all the time. They're going to be right out here, right outside the kitchen.
Yeah, to buy fresh ones in the store, it's about that price to buy a bunch one time. So hopefully this will pay off in the long run.
Yep. We can keep them alive. We'll see. One. And they just clip right in there. So
Convenient to the kitchen to water.
yeah, we'll see how it works.
There's you another one.
Thank you.
This one, you're probably going to have to edit that. I didn't do very good.
What?
I just jerked the camera.
Oh, that's fine.
This is cilantro. This one is Italian parsley. We have some sweet basil. Right now he is planting our sage. It's always good on chicken. And it's a beautiful plant. I think sage is so pretty.
Yep, and nothing tastes better than fresh herbs.
That's true.
All right, there's your sage. Surge. What is this? Parsley?
This is curly parsley.
Oh.
It's the pretty kind that you lay around your deviled eggs and stuff like that.
Okay.
It's more of the ornamental type, just to make your dishes look pretty. There's the Italian parsley, and then there's this curly parsley. Here's the Italian parsley. That's a flat Italian parsley.
Okay. All right. There's your curly parsley.
It's beautiful.
It is. You may put it.
Yeah.
Will I be able to snap it?
Yeah.
There you go. Okay.
Last but not least is rosemary, and I haven't cut that thing off. You'll have to do that.
Okay.
Rosemary is one of my very favorites. I love it, love it, love it.
These all look really healthy. Look nice.
I know the roots look really nice. They look like they watered them well at Walmart. After we bought all these plants at Walmart, we came by, saw a sign that the Paulding County where we live, Gardening Association, Master Gardeners were having a big plant sale, and we didn't even support our local Master Gardeners. So we may have to ride over there before tonight's over because it closes at 8 o'clock and just see if they might have something we want to plant in the yard.
Okay. Looks pretty.
Okay. That is this project done.
All right.
Rosemary.
Herbs.
Curly parsley. Sweet basil. Italian flat parsley. Cilantro. And sage. And here's my master gardener.
We'll see. Okay, she wants some hanging baskets too. So these are, I believe, called celosias, if I'm saying that right. And these are supposed to get nice and tall. So she wants these in the middle and some petunias around them. So we're going to do that. Some of these petunias, she got these were like on the markdown section. They're a little rough, but petunias are pretty hardy. So we'll see if they'll live. So I'm going to pull all these out of here and put them around this and then fill it in with dirt. We'll see how it does. Maybe we can rehabilitate these petunias because they look a little rough. She doesn't always have the best luck with outdoor hanging baskets. I'll put it that way.
It's because we always leave and go to the beach. Nobody's here to water them. I guess we should bring them in the house while we're gone.
Should do something besides kill them. Okay, so I guess that's how many I will put in there. And I'll have plenty to put around this side. Fill my dirt in here for them. And hopefully these will all spread. She said we planted these one time at her mother's and they did really good. I don't remember doing that. But she said they're really pretty. We usually plant vinca and what's our other one we always plant? I can't think of the name of the other one.
We usually plant perennials.
Yeah, usually perennials.
So that we don't have to replant them every year. But
we'll water this and see how this does. We'll have it hanging back here on the porch. And I'll do the other one the same way. Okay, we got this section up here finished.
Baby.
Got all these plants planted. She's got the baskets up front, and we had these two little pots right here.